How to block an email address in Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website. After you're in the website, sign into your account first. After you're logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to block an email address, what you can do is you need to turn on the desktop site mode over here in your browser. Once you do that, you will see the desktop-like interface. Now in the top right corner, you can see this settings icon. Tap on it. You will see this kind of settings menu over here. If you scroll down, here you can see the anti-spam option. Tap on it. Next up, you will see the section like this. Over here, you can see this allow list or block list emails. So from here, you can add the emails into your allow list or the block list. In the right hand side, you can see the block list section. If you want to block any email address, you can tap on this add button over here. You can add the email address that you want to block. Once you write your email, tap on add. And there you go, this particular email has been successfully added to the block list. So that's how you can easily block an email address in Zoho Mail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.